How to hide and lock WhatsApp chats on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to move any conversation into a private locked folder that requires a fingerprint or PIN to access. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, find the chat you want to hide and lock from your chat list. From there, long press on the chat to select it. At this point, tap the lock icon that appears at the top of the screen. In the next step, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Tap Lock to proceed. Following this, the chat will immediately be moved out of your main chat list and into a separate Locked Chats folder. Once done, to access your locked chats, scroll to the very top of your chat list and tap on Locked Chats. From here, you'll be prompted to verify your identity using your fingerprint or device PIN before the folder opens. At this stage, once you're in, you can read and reply to your locked chats just like normal. After this, when you exit the folder, the chats will automatically hide themselves again. Finally, if you ever want to unlock a chat and move it back to your main inbox, open the Locked Chats folder, long press the chat, and tap Unlock. And that's it. If this WhatsApp guide helped you keep your private conversations hidden and secure, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.